Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add highlight on Instagram without adding to Instagram story. So at first open Instagram, click onto profile, tap onto three line, scroll down, click on hide story and live option, click on and select your all followers and go back and just trying to add story. And then click on to add your story. Okay, now done. So that's how we can easily add highlight on Instagram without adding to Instagram story.